Hello, in the last lecture, we saw that all the source codes are kept inside the SRC folder. Inside a typical SRC folder of any workspace, we have a cmakelist.txt file that was created when we executed the catkin make command. Apart from this file, we also keep some other folders in this directory to contain the source codes and supporting files of different projects. These folders are also called packages in ROS. Now let us see which files we keep inside a package. A package can in turn have a cmakelist.txt file, package.xml file, and SRC include scripts, MSG, SRV, config, and launch folders. Note here that we have two different SRC folders at two different levels. The top one contains the packages and this one contains all the C and C++ codes of the package. The include folder contains the header files and the scripts folder contains all the Python codes. You will understand the importance of all other folders as this course will progress. This is the composition of just one package. Typically, we have tens of packages and this folder structure is repeated in all of them with slight variation. Now we will go ahead and create our first package inside the SRC folder of the ROS workspace. The command for creating a package is catkin create pkg. This command takes first argument as the package name followed by the required dependencies of our package. Here the dependencies means other ROS packages needed for building and running the codes. Here we will go ahead and create a package called myfirstp. Here _p signifies the package name, and note that it is not mandatory to use this naming convention. I have used _p in the package name so that it becomes easy for you to recognize the names. If you want to, you can use any other name. In the first example, we will write a hello world string using both the C++ and Python languages. Since this is a very simple program, we will not need any dependency here. By running this command, we can see that myfirstp is created with two very important files in it. We will understand the importance of these two files as the course progresses. Now we will create the C++ and Python files in this package to write the codes. We will create an SRC folder for storing the C++ files and scripts folder for storing the Python files. Now we will create a hellocppf.cpp file inside the SRC directory and a hellopy.fe.py file inside the scripts directory using the touch command. Here _f represents that it is a file and _e represents that it is also going to be an executable. Now we have the package backbone ready and we can proceed to writing the C++ and Python codes in the next couple of lectures. Once we complete the coding part, then we need to convert these files to the executables. In the next two lectures, I have explained the coding and other relevant steps for C++ and Python languages. Here, I recommend you to watch the lectures corresponding to any one language. Otherwise, the things might become a little confusing. Also, if you know both of the languages, I recommend you to watch the lectures corresponding to C++. Thank you.